Hi friends, my name is Prasanna Gadkari and I have done my MDes from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. And today I will be speaking about a very basic topic that everyone asks me about. The topic is what is the best branch for doing masters in design? Now there are a lot of branches such as interaction design, animation design, product design, industrial design and so on. However, even before we go into which is the best branch, you have to define what is the best. So there are two definitions according to me. What is the best branch for you? One is what you like doing. For example, I am a very passionate animator and I can't think about anything else but just animation design. So that is the best branch for you. Two is where you actually think about which branch is in great demand. To answer this question, you will have to see what is the economic and the industrial aspects of choosing a branch. Now, as you can see, in India, a lot of outsourcing is happening about IT. For example, there are a lot of IT companies that are demanding UI UX designers, interaction designers, and so on. Now, these particular designers would go into these industries and get paid very well. So you can easily say that because of IT boom, the branches such as interaction design, communication design, animation, which are computer based branches, are in great demand. That brings me to another point that in general for design there are only three mother branches. Now when I say mother branches, they are sub-classified further into the base branch that different IITs and NIDs offer. So what are these mother branches? The first is design of products. These branches are basically dealing with something that design physical products in the real world. This branch includes things like mobility and vehicle design as offered by IIT Bombay, industrial design and product design as offered by IISc Bangalore. Then there are other mother branches called visual media. In the visual media, you use visuals to express your solutions for the designs. These branches are typically animation, visual communication, graphic design, etc. And then there are third set of branches called as the computer based branches, which includes interaction design, UI UX design, or other variants which use some sort of interaction with different kinds of human and machine. Now knowing these three, you will have to see what are in demand as of now. Now in this year, we already see that a lot of IT companies have come up, like I already said, and therefore the computer based branches are in great demand. Having said that, what is the second best mother branch to choose? You can easily go and choose industrial slash product design. There is a slight difference between those two, but it's interchangeably used across the industry. However, you can go ahead and choose any one of these either in IIT Bombay or in IISc Bangalore, and then later on you can make a switch to interaction or any other branch. That being said, you can see that you can easily switch between some of the branches relatively easily. For example, I am a product designer, however, I work as a user experience designer in one of the leading companies in India. Now, how was that switch made is a topic for another video altogether. But let me speak about the third and the branch which is offered, which is often comprised of a number of smaller branches, which is the visual media. It includes animation, graphic design, and communication design. Now, what are these three branches doing? Out of these three branches, the communication design is absorbed readily by the IT industry and are treated equivalent to the user interface designers. This is wonderful knowing that you are going to get absorbed in one of the reputed companies such as Google, Amazon, and maybe it's the service companies such as TCS, Accenture, etc. Lot of these companies come for placement and people from the visual design and interaction design are the first to get placed. Knowing that the placements are good, probably that is the best branch to choose from. So in conclusion, I will say that the branches that deal with computer science are best for today in terms of the demand. You can go for interaction design, communication design or animation, and be assured that you will get placement in one of the IT companies. This is followed by product slash industrial design. Then it is followed by mobility and vehicle design. This branch comes almost towards the end because the number of automotive companies are that way more or less fixed, and the number of designers they require is not as many as IT companies require. So having known this, what branch to choose is ultimately upon you. Still, if you feel passion about any other branch, I'll dearly recommend you to go for it. Maybe because of that passion, you will do big and better in that branch. So remember that irrespective of the branch which you choose, it doesn't matter. You will still get a placement if you are good at it. In the conclusion, I will also add that irrespective of what branch you want to go for, while preparing for SEED or for NID entrance exam, take out this thought away from your mind that you have to choose a branch. You don't have to. While you are preparing for SEED or for NID, you will automatically get a clarity that you are gradually gravitating towards a certain branch. For example, I am good at sketching and I would like to go for something more visual. Most of my solutions are easily expressed in terms of artistic media of sketching. And that easily brings me that okay, if I go for visual design, I will do something good. So you don't have to constrain yourself to a certain branch right at the beginning. However, as you go ahead and start your application, you can have a preference. In IIT Bombay particularly, you can opt for 2 branches. You can choose that wisely. However, I will suggest that while choosing the branch, keep your passions and your skills at the forefront rather than the demand, because demand varies from each year to another. So I hope that this answers the question of which is the best branch while choosing the Masters in Design. And if you have any comments or questions, please feel free to write them in the section below. I hope you have a great day ahead, and thank you.